guys, it's me, Glacia here, and we are going to be doing a video of my routine. So, welcome back to my channel, and make sure you smash that thumbs up button and smash that subscribe button. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you're new here, then welcome back. Then welcome to my channel. Okay, so this is all the birds. Hey! And so we just got, we're almost done cleaning. So here's a white one I love. So, we're almost done cleaning. And, so we are going, well, I'm going to vacuum. And so, yeah. It's going to be a little, it's gonna be a little loud, so, yeah. And birds are very important. Already vacuumed, and here's some birds. And some are laying eggs. So I don't really want to get in, but they do bite. So I just get them with this, and if they don't want to go on, then they just fly away. So, let's see if this one will go on. So, yeah, that's all. Bye. Make sure you subscribe and put that thumbs up. And comment down below what I should do next. Bye.